Welcome to our explainer on selecting the perfect sink waste unit for your kitchen. If you're a homeowner or DIY enthusiast, you've probably faced the daunting task of choosing the right waste unit. With various options available, it can be challenging to determine which fits your specific needs. First, consider the types of sink waste units. Basket strainer wastes are great for simple needs. Standard waste units offer versatility, and waste disposers add convenience for food scraps. Next, assess your sink's compatibility. This means checking the size, material, and drainage system to ensure the unit fits seamlessly. Plumbing requirements are crucial. You need to verify pipe sizes and trap compatibility to avoid costly installation issues. If you're considering a garbage disposal, make sure your waste unit is compatible. Material matters too. Stainless steel offers durability, while plastic is lightweight and resistant to corrosion. Don't forget about overflow compatibility, especially if your sink design includes this feature. Ease of installation and maintenance should also guide your choice, ensuring long-term satisfaction. Finally, always comply with local plumbing regulations and standards to ensure safety and efficiency. For expert advice and installation, contact Seattle Appliance Service Pros. We're here to help you make the best choice for your kitchen. Happy upgrading!